So, you know how we did the word banding in the last one?
Yeah.
We're going to do that again.
Okay.
So I'm going to first show you how to do it, and then I'm going to show you what you need to do, okay?
Okay.
So if I say, ugh, I want you to say the whole blended word, mug.
Mug.
Okay? So I'm going to do another one. Lock.
Lock.
Good, you got it. And.
Man.
Okay, let's do one more.
Okay.
Glide.
Glide.
Good. All right. So let's start with aim.
Main.
Eight.
Rate.
Light.
Light.
Oak.
Coke.
Ache.
Make.
All.
Saw.
Ill.
Fill.
Op.
Mop.
Ale.
Bail.
A.
Way.
In.
Tin.
Or.
Sore.
So we're going to do basically the same thing again, except for I'm going to stretch it out really long like I did the first time. So I'm going to pronounce all the sounds in the word. So if I say sit, I'm going to say
Sit.
it's.
It's.
Yep. So if I said
Bam.
good. So let's try one more. At.
Cap.
Good. Okay. It.
Sit.
At.
Back.
In.
Bin.
It.
Lit.
Eat.
Beat.
Ass.
Had.
E.
See.
Ought.
Got.
At.
Set.
Oh.
So.